Hello guys, this is a styrene build I made while under lockdown for the coronavirus for the 4 months, and I recently just made the simulated chute for the back. Everything is styrene there with stickers that I have placed, simulated engine, headers, swivel windows. I made added mesh on the windows. So this is loaded with, let me see, does it have lights? No, this don't have no lights. I didn't put lights on this, so it's a race truck, so why bother? So hope you like. This was a very fun build, and it came precise. I made it precisely to fit. So see, it has a strong hold, and that's that. I hope you like, and leave your comment later.